Hi guys, welcome to another video from Little Too Simple. Most of you might have heard about people who invested very early on in crypto and became millionaires, or even billionaires. Even to this day, most people think that the only way to make money from crypto is to either buy and hold crypto until the price appreciates or to trade crypto. If you are also one of those people who think this way, then brace yourself for a big surprise. In today's video, we will tell you about ways other than buying or trading crypto that you can use to make money. Before we begin, we would like to clarify that this video is made entirely for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial advice of any kind. This video is part of our crypto video series. You can watch the most recent video in the series by clicking the link on the top right corner of your screen. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so if you like this kind of content, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Now let's roll. Currently, there are several cryptocurrency tokens that charge a percentage fee on every transaction and then pay back a part of that fee to holders of that token. The larger your holdings of that particular token, the larger will be the share of transaction fees paid to you. This share of transaction fee is generally paid in the form of a stablecoin or some other cryptocurrency. The stablecoin or cryptocurrency in which this fee is paid is called a reflection token. Cryptocurrency lending involves the participation of borrowers and lenders, and agreements between them. Several crypto exchanges support lending, including Nexo, Salt Lending, BlockFi, and Oasis. In a cryptocurrency loan, borrowers pledge their crypto holdings as collateral. Lenders provide cash or other cryptocurrencies. Borrowers agree to pay interest to lenders. Typically, in such agreements, the borrowers are individuals and not large institutions like banks. The bottom line, cryptocurrencies are at the heart of these loans, either as collateral or as the borrowed asset itself. Thus, lenders can lend their crypto assets and benefit from interest payments in the form of additional crypto assets. Of course, this is not without risks, and finding reliable platforms that connect borrowers and lenders can take some time. But if you're looking for a way to make your crypto work and earn extra money, lending is one of the possible ways worth exploring. The process of crypto staking is similar to locking your assets in a bank and earning interest, almost like a certificate of deposit, CD. Here's how it works. You lock up your crypto holdings in an exchange or wallet. In return, you earn rewards or interest on your staked assets. Many exchanges and platforms offer staking options, both centralized and decentralized. You can even stake crypto directly from some hardware wallets. The lowest risk option for staking would be to stake stablecoins, because this eliminates most of the risks associated with crypto price fluctuations. Also, if possible, avoid lockup periods when staking, so you maintain flexibility. Of course, there are several other ways to make money with crypto, but as always, we only want to suggest the most legit and realistic ways, not methods that are too risky or offer very low returns. Thanks for making it this far into the video. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Until next time, have a good one, guys.